Alright class, today I will be teaching us a very fantastic topic. This class is going to be on Photoshop. Alright, I believe we are all excited. Since all I've been teaching you guys has always been on CorelDRAW. Well, today it is for Photoshop. So let's go there. Let me quickly teach you on this topic, how to remove a background or a fake PNG background in Photoshop. So let's go there. And I want to use this medium to welcome new viewers to my channel. This channel will expose you to several designs in CorelDRAW and Photoshop, how to do your manipulations and how to come up with good and great creativity. So if you are just joining me for the first time, simply click on the subscription button and don't forget to click on the like button as well. So let's quickly go and see what we really want to do on Photoshop. So once you are here, the next thing for you to do is, before you get here, what you need to do first is go to your file, click on neon. Okay, once you click on neon, then come to this preset, click on it, then click on international paper. Okay, so once you've done that, click OK. Alright, so once this is done, the next thing for us to do, let me assume that you want to design a front page or a front catalog or a front magazine for a company or a car company. Don't forget, a car company. And the first thing you need to do is to go to your Pinterest. Let's get a beautiful background. Okay, let's see if you can get a beautiful background that will showcase what we really want to do here. Okay, is this really okay? So I think we need to make use of this. Let's make use of this. So you copy this, then you go to your page and paste it by pressing your Ctrl V. Okay, so this is here. Now you've gotten your beautiful background from Pinterest. Then the next thing for us to do is to go back and get our beautiful car. Okay, this is our beautiful car. So you right click on it, then you click on copy image, then you go back to your Photoshop and click Ctrl V, then you superimpose it a bit, then break it down. So this is where the magic is coming out from. Now this is the image that doesn't really fit to the background of this beautiful design. So what you need to do, how to remove this background, is you go to your image, click on image, then locate adjustment, then from adjustment click on replace color. So once you get here, automatically the tools that you needed to use is there. So what you need to do is to click on one of the color. We have white and gray color, so click on the gray color, then you come to this aspect, lightness, then drag it to 100%, and immediately every other thing here has gone off. So the next thing for you to do is to click on locate magic wand from your tool palette. Okay, click on magic wand, then click on this, then go to select, locate modify, and locate for feather. So once this is done, then make sure this feather radius is on 3. Okay, then click OK. So once that is done, then click delete. Okay, so this is actually what we need to get this beautiful car and the beautiful background and this beautiful background. So guys, hope you've all learned one or two things and the kind of tools that I'm able to use to get this stuff done. So this is how you can actually remove this, what is it called, background from this stuff. Okay.